Today, I'm sharing 7 jobs that you can do at home that pay at least $100 per day. Because who doesn't like making a little extra cash or a lot of extra cash, especially when you can make all that money without putting on pants? These 7 work-at-home jobs all pay at least $100 a day. Trust, I'm not about to be wasting your time telling you to fill out surveys that pay 20 cents an hour. You don't need a college degree or super special training to do these jobs because no one wants to do that. And you can work each of these jobs as a side hustle if you aren't looking to take on one of these roles full time. In case you're new here, this is Millennial Money in Business. We share the tools to help you escape your 9-to-5 with confidence every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So please do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. It tells the algorithm to show our videos to more people, and it gets us that much closer to hitting our goal of becoming the first woman-led business channel with more than 1 million subscribers. And of course, quick shout out to Jillian Perkins for inspiring this video. She gives great business tips and easily has the best hair on YouTube. First work-at-home job that pays at least $100 a day, whatever this guy is doing. So I just stumbled across this job posting after I started talking to this guy about creating a graphic for one of my businesses. And I looked at his profile and saw that not only was he a highly ranked graphic designer, but also a dancer, a logo creator, animator, and a hustler. The first job that pays at least $100 a day is freelancing. And it's as easy as listing your skills or services on a gig marketplace like Fiverr or Upwork. If you're thinking, well, I don't have a skill to leverage, you're wrong. Do you speak English? You can become a spokesperson like any of the people you see advertising their services here on Fiverr. What do you like to do? Do you like to read or write? Because someone that doesn't feel as confident in those areas will pay you for your help. Do you like clothing and fashion? Are you willing to take the time to create some digital flat lays for free to you and post them on your IG so people can reach out to you to style them? Do you know how to get and keep a man? Do you have hardware, and are you willing to guide your girls to the altar? Even if you're still in college, the fact that you made it there is something you can sell to parents and students trying to get there too. Freelancing is job 1. Job number 2, virtual assistant. This made the biggest difference in every single one of my businesses, having an assistant to help with the tedious and repetitive tasks that come with running a business. Virtual assistants work from home, you give them tasks you need completed, and they do them. Really is that simple. And because I know how valuable they are to any startup or full-fledged business, I know there's a huge demand for talented and dedicated virtual assistants. American virtual assistants usually start around $15, $20 per hour, and that rate goes up dramatically the more experience that you have. Like Silvio, he's not technically virtual, but he does help out.
I clean the house, I walk the dogs, and I do it all shirtless.
Yes, he does. Thank you for that, Silvio. Now, if you appreciate the work Silvio puts into keeping all this going, drop a heart emoji in the comments. He is single and employed and he has a lot of muscles. Job number 3, create a private paid community. This was my first business venture that made over 6 figures in less than half a year off the memberships alone. I charged $40 a month per person, and once inside of the group, members gained access to information only shared among group members, and they all shared a sense of community and camaraderie once inside. To do this, you've got to choose a niche that you know people are interested in and provide real, tangible value for members, and you have to be willing to invest your time into fostering a sense of community inside. You guys have heard me mention our private community CEO Society. It's only $10 a month to join, and the value we offer inside, your ability to connect with like-minded hustlers and share ideas and create friendships, plus monthly live stream business coaching with yours truly, that would otherwise cost you $1,000 an hour, no cap, whatever that means. That's how much my rate is. All of that value definitely outweighs the minor cost of joining. Y'all, People are desperate for connection these days. If you can make a handful of people feel like they have a space on the web to call their home, to call their own, people will pay. Job number 4, becoming a consultant or coach. And no, I don't mean a sport ball coach.
Let's go, boss. Give me 50 push-ups right now. Let's go. Let's get it. You can do it.
But I don't mean a sport ball coach. That's not at all it. I mean a professional guide. You are probably familiar with the idea of business coaches, but there are also birthing coaches, fitness coaches, style coaches, YouTube coaches, healthy. I could literally pick anything and put the word coach in front of it. And I bet someone out there is using their experience to get paid doing that, helping someone else get to that same destination. As a business coach, like I mentioned, I charge at least $1,000 an hour for one-on-one time with me, and people pay it and thank me for it afterward. I was just tagged in a testimonial from a former client that said, quote, "Just a note to thank you for the education you've provided me. I now have 15 investors, not including myself, in this investment group that I formed. The value of your coaching is, in a word, invaluable. $1,000 an hour, well spent." Which brings us to the number 5 work at home job that pays at least $100 a day, creating an online course, workshop, or information package of some sort, which I actually prefer over one-on-one business coaching. Why? It does require a lot of time up front to create the course or product, but once you do the work, it's done. And as long as you're marketing the course, it's basically passive income. And most one-on-one coaching clients don't actually do the work, which is really, really frustrating when you're just like, do A, B, and C, and you'll have the life of your dreams. The next week they tell you how they started to do A, then jumped to P, and are now frustrated because they're not getting the... I'm ranting. That's definitely why I prefer courses. I have 2 courses. Both have links in the description. The first course I launched, the Green Business Masterclass, made over $12,000 in its first 12 hours. My Hair Extensions Business Masterclass course, still in pre-launch and is already making money totally passively. I literally just get a notification on my phone saying, I just made another $1,000, and that's that. Number 6, work at home job that pays at least $100 a day. Sell hair extensions with white label extensions as your drop shipping partner. Shameless plug, yes. Do I mean it though? Absolutely. Number 6 is technically start a drop shipping store, so why not use the drop shipping business that I created as the perfect example? All right, so if you aren't familiar, drop shipping is a business model where you just basically act as the middleman between a product manufacturer like white label extensions and the customer. And your only job is marketing. The thing that makes this super dope is that if everything is set up properly, you don't have to stock up on inventory. You don't have to deal with the manufacturing process. You literally just pick a product that someone is willing to drop ship for you, like any of the wigs that we offer for wholesale. You market and advertise the products as your own. And when you get a sale, you let us know and we ship it directly to your customer under your brand name with no trace of us. If the process is working right, you don't physically touch or see the product. It all happens seamlessly. That's why this is one of my favorite business models, because as long as you have the fulfillment process automated, this is totally scalable. Then number 7, work at home job that pays $100 or more per day, selling feet pics. Maybe. 7 is technically start a print-on-demand store, but I guess if what you're printing on t-shirts and mugs is feet pics and people are buying, this is similar to drop shipping in that you don't have to hold any inventory or handle fulfillment. All you do is design an item on a website like Teespring or Printful, market it, and cash in when it sells. The mugs or t-shirts or phone cases are printed the moment they are ordered, and then the platform, your printing partner, whoever that is, will ship it directly to your customer. This can be really profitable if you can make merch that speaks to a specific underserved niche, like people that love feet pictures. Now, what I love about this list is that you can start each of these as a low commitment side hustle and grow it into a full-fledged business if you like it, which I love. Now do me a favor, hop in the comments and share a side hustle or job idea that I left off this list, or share the job that appeals to you most. You'd be helping me out because the more comments I get, the more YouTube will show this video to more people, which will help us reach our goal of becoming the first woman-led business channel on YouTube with 1 million subs. Why? Because there isn't a single female business channel that large, and representation matters for all the little girls that only watch YouTube, okay? If you believe in representation, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!